airplane mode.
Everyone, let's get into this video today. Thank you for clicking on the video, and we are going to be flying the 747 today. As you can see, I already have it set up. We're going from Auckland to Rarotonga International. I have the EFB open, so we're going to go to Flight Planner and click this page right up here. So if you're lucky, it set it up already. It gave us a VFR flight plan, which isn't what we want, so we're going to go ahead and change that up here. Go to IFR. You could fill all this up. I'm not going to fill it up here. Remarks, flight type, blah blah blah. But if you want to fill it up, you can. Flight level. So we're going east, so we want an odd flight level. So let's say we'll go up to flight level 370, something like that. So 370 is now set up there. 23. So we got to change departure procedure. So we're going to find a departure. I'm using onlineflightplanner.org to help me out here. So it's telling me that my first SID has to be to AKLOM, A-K-L-O-M. So I'm going to go see if there's any transition. There it is, AKLOM transition. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Let's go to New Zealand and see what it looks like. So it looks like we are departing runway 23, so departing somewhat west and just making a turn out and going to AKLOM here. So we're going to press change procedure. Then I have we're going to Bixit, so I'm going to go ahead and change that and choose Bixit after. I don't know if you can actually, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to go and set our approach. We'll choose ILS runway 8. We'll leave it at that for now. And then I have to set my arrival. So my arrival is a star from Bixit. I'm going to see if there's Bixit. There we go, Bixit transition. And there is our star. So it looks good going to Bixit. So change procedure. And see, the middle of our flight plan is kind of empty. We just have our SID and our star. So we'll see if there are any waypoints in the middle that we can kind of just make it more complete looking flight plan. So I have to press find route, and there might not be any waypoints. It might just leave it. Alright, there we go. So I added a few right in the middle there, not bad. And that is our flight set here. One thing, don't forget, send it to ATC and avionics, and now you will be able to see the flight plan on your map here. If we zoom in, we can see that SID is set up, and so is our star in Rarotonga. Alright, so that is flight setup done. That's how we set up our flight here. And now